Hey everyone, Morgan here. Today we are going to be making some homemade tortillas with Creeper husband there. And so we eat a lot of tortillas. More specifically, husband eats a lot of tortillas. Really? Really? Anyway, so instead of buying tortillas, we can make a huge batch of it and have like a bunch. And what I did from our last tortilla batch was I saved the tortilla bag, so now we just have a free bag here to just put them in. All right, so I'm going to put a link down below in the description to the exact recipe, but we're just going to show you loosely how to do this. It is very, very easy. It's mostly time consuming just because you have to fry each and every one of them. So, but let's go ahead and get started. 4 cups of flour, and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of lard, or the Crisco. Crisco will work. Whoop. All right, now we're mixing up the water in it. It's looking good, getting very doughy.
All right. Okay, Amber, hold on. This is what Great Grandma Vanjie used to do. You get the dough ready, and then you cover it up, and we're going to let it rest for a little bit.
Let's wait.
The recipe does not say to let it rest, but his grandmother is expert, you know, come straight from Mexico, so I think she knows a thing or two, so I'll trust his judgment, her judgment on that. Okay, you're going to preheat your pan on medium-high heat. It is Kid Rogue's turn to roll with her new roller. We just got this the other day. Very excited about it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready to start rolling some tortillas?
Yeah.
Okay. So it says to divide them up into 24 equal balls, but whatever. Just divide them up into whatever balls you want.
Yeah.
Really. Honestly, what we do is we just divide them up as we go. There's already flour. Crazy.
That's how you do it. That's how it's done.
All the flour. Okay, now you gotta roll hard. Hard. Look. Hard. There you go. You put it straight in the pan with no oil or anything. And then continue to make tortillas. Continue to flatten them out.
George.
Nice. Perfect. Alright, when you get them made. Yes? You have something to say, dirty face? You have something to say, dirty face? When you get them cooked, you put them in a towel.
Side, Ember.
Rolling is the worst part. Now roll all of them out nice and thin. What? Oh, she's taking over the camera. Ah! Super secret trick right here.
That's how you know when they're thin enough, is when you put them in the pan and you start seeing all the little bubbles pop up in them.
We're on the last one. We're rolling them out just a little bit thinner right before we put them in the pan, but we both concur that it could have used more lard. 2 tablespoons didn't really seem like a lot. You know, really good tortillas have a significant amount of lard. Not a ton, but not a little bit either. Oh, beautiful tortillas. But now that you have all these tortillas, what are you going to do with them? Eggs, Spam, tomatoes, mix it all together. This is the Red Robin. Baby Rogue is starving to death. So is Kid Rogue. So everybody's a little cranky right now. The only thing missing is some kind of greens. We don't have any spinach right now. Sure would love some though. I know, we're all hungry. Starving household. Brinner! It's breakfast for dinner! Yummy! Alright. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah.
That was good.
Very good. Now we have lots of tortillas. Several days at least. Cheaper in the store, I think. And I think you could use a little more lard, like we were saying before, but otherwise good. Recipe down below. I'll talk to y'all later. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Hope y'all have a great day. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.